If your skin tone is cool tone, this video is for you. I am going to create a cool tone eyeshadow look using only cool tone eyeshadows for you cool skin tone. Keep watching. Let's see how a cool tone look looks. I will start with the cool tone gray. This one right here is cool tone gray. I'm going to start with that in the outer corner. I have a fluffy brush. I did not put any base on because I don't want to change. I just want you to see what it looks like on my regular normal skin. The only thing I have is pressed powder foundation on my eyelids. Can you see the cool tone? I am cool tone. Silver does very good with me. And I am just putting this cool tone in the outer corner. I have a big fluffy brush from Amazon. Cool tone gray. I'm starting with the cool tone gray in the outer corner. I'm taking a small brush and I'm going into like a lilac purple. I'm going to go in the inner corner. I'm just brushing it in. Usually I dab, but today I don't have any eye primer on, so I am just sweeping it on. Hopefully we will get the color pigment payoff. I'm using my Amazon palette, by the way. Now I'm dabbing because I want you to see the cool tone colors on my skin. I am cool tone, skin tone. I have a little yellow in the middle of my face. But anything cool tone works very good for me. I'm going to take a silver and I'm going to put it right on the lids. I'm just staying in the cool tone section so you can see what the cool tone looks like on me. I am back with the cool tone eye look. This is what the cool tone eye look looks like. I did not use a eyeshadow base and I did not use an eyeliner on the top because I want you to see the complete look of how this cool tone looks on me. I went into my palette right here. I picked this cool tone lip color. I went into my Ulta Trio Berry Spice and I picked this pink, which is a cool tone blush. I kept it all cool tone. So this is a cool tone eye look on my cool tone skin. I use this silver right here, this purple right here. This purple right here is in the inner part of my eye. This cool tone gray is on the outer part of my eye. This silver right here is on my lids. All the shades are cool tone. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell because the next eye look will be a warm tone eye look. Today's eye am came from the Love Yourself card deck and it's a with every breath I take, I'm getting healthier and healthier. With every breath I take, I am getting healthier and healthier. With every breath you take, you are getting healthier and healthier. Say these mantras, repeat it to yourself, believe it, and you will see results. Until I see you and you see me, let me know what you're thinking in the comments with this cool tone eye look. Remember to share this video because it will be helpful to someone else. And as always, self is first. Always take care of yourself. Always give thanks. And remember to never, ever dim your light for anyone else. And you are enough. Bye.